Number 3. Black+Decker BDECS300C, a lightweight and powerful circular saw that is ideal for a wide range of cutting applications. The 13-amp motor provides the perfect amount of cutting power, while the laser guide illuminates the cut line for enhanced precision. The spindle lock makes changing the blade a breeze, and the easy bevel adjustment allows for accurate angled cuts up to 45 degrees. The lightweight design of the BDECS300C keeps you comfortable and in control, minimizing muscle fatigue during long projects. The corded design also offers unlimited runtime for even the biggest jobs. The depth adjustment feature allows you to customize the cutting depth up to 2.5 inches at 90 degrees. What I love most about the Black+Decker BDECS300C is the combination of power and precision it offers. The 13-amp motor delivers efficient cutting, while the laser guide ensures accurate cuts every time. The easy bevel adjustment is also a game changer, allowing for versatile cutting possibilities. If I had to pick one thing I wasn't a fan of, it would be the lack of a carrying case for the saw. However, this minor inconvenience is easily remedied by purchasing a separate case to keep your tool protected and organized. For a lightweight, powerful, and precise circular saw option, the Black+Decker BDECS300C is definitely worth checking out further.